Hey Dripsets friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all my wash and go routine that focuses on volume and also defined curls, but I will say this focus more on volume though. You will see later on throughout the video. So for a wash and go, you gotta start off with fresh, clean hair. I have 4A, 4B hair. I use my Design Essentials mousse and I rub that in, apply that on my hair, and I go in with my 3-way comb. Now I'm going to start finger coiling my hair. How to finger coil your hair? It's really, the end of your hair, you're just wrapping your finger around it, if that makes sense. Like the end of your hair, the ends of your hair, you're just wrapping it around and around and around. I'm all done finger coiling my hair. I use the blow dryer to dry my hair some. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shroom to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down. This is day one hair. As you can see, my roots are frizzed up, which I honestly love because my last wash and go that I did in January, it was all defined, roots was not frizzed. But I like the roots frizzed because I feel like it gives it more of the volume, and I don't know, it gives kind of like Island Girl. If I was going to Jamaica, I would do my hair just like this. If y'all want to see my other wash and go routine where my roots isn't frizzed up because I use different products for that, let me know. But this is day one hair. I'm gonna show y'all day one hair, and I'm gonna show y'all my hair throughout the week.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? Oh, we gonna fuck up the night. We just run.
This is how day 2 is looking. I'm loving it more and more every day. Like it's so cute. Okay.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to put something up.
New location unlocked. I'm currently at my boyfriend's house right now, and I'm staying the night. I'm going to show you my routine, how I wrap up my hair when I have a wash and go. I came back from the gym not too long ago. I just got out the shower, and I'm going to show y'all how I freshen up my hair because my hair is dry since I was sweating and everything. Go in with the Jamaican Black Castor water oil, and I just spray that all around in my hair. I am currently looking for a good leave-in conditioner spray. After the gym, I could just spray my hair. This has been doing good so far. I've been using this to just freshen up my hair and make my hair more moisturized and more because my hair feels dry since I left the gym. And also since I was sweating. So I just want my hair to not feel dry and be moisturized. And I just make sure it's all in there, you know. I make sure it's all in there. Make sure, let me get in the back. So
But y'all comment down below like some good leave-in spray conditioners that's good for like 4A and 4B type hair. I haven't found one yet that I'm like interested in trying, so I just been sticking with I'm looking in the mirror like above here, but I haven't found one yet that is like jumping at me that makes me want to try it or whatever. Okay, so now that we did that, how I wrap up my hair at night with my wash and go, you will need a lot of satin silk scrunchies. So what I kind of do is I grab a section. So I'm gonna start off with the front part right here. I'm looking in the mirror above. So I'm gonna start off with the front part right here because this is like my little bang, and just put the satin silk scrunchie like this, like make sure it's like on the root, because the whole purpose of doing this so my hair can be stretched, and it's also easier too for when I take it out and stuff. The pineapple method don't necessarily work for my hair. I find this to be a little bit more easier for my hair. And yeah, it's not like I'm parting my hair right now. I'm just grabbing a section that feels right.
I see God's pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby,
I'm really focusing on the roots so it can be stretched out.
I said baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, no crib talk will come through, it's time to break it in.
Do the same for the back here.
No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shrimp and recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you.
And the reason we use like a satin silk scrunchie, not a regular scrunchie, is because a regular scrunchie will like kind of like cause unnecessary like rips or unnecessary like hair falling out that don't need to be falling, or hair being pulled that don't need to be pulled. And when it comes to the silk or the satin silk scrunchie, you can just like pull the scrunchie, take it out, and no hair comes with it, if that makes sense.
She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. And she said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I can smoke already so hard in my blunt is. I see God's pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting.
I believe we got all the areas. So I look a little crazy right now, but this is what literally keeps my curls intact and also leave my hair stretched too. And then our bonnet. The reason I do the scarf and then the bonnet is because I'm kind of like a wild sleeper, or I sleep wild, and if my bonnet falls off, my scarf is still on. And then I also have, at my boyfriend's house, I have a satin like silk silk pillowcase. So if my scarf falls off and my bonnet falls off, we're good, because I have a satin silk pillowcase at my boyfriend's house. That is how I wrap up my hair at night. I forgot to end off this video, but I really hope y'all enjoyed this video watching it. If y'all want to see my other wash and go routine that has less frizz at the roots, let me know down below. As you can see, I put my hair in 2-strand twists. I washed my hair yesterday, but I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.